Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of TVians across the globe, and to as many who are watching this broadcast. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. On this my broadcast, I try to take in charge. Take in charge. Thank God for the wonderful vision given to our able admin, the Sprinkler. It is a great and a wonderful vision. A mission to eradicate poverty on the planet Earth. One of the greatest pandemic that is ravaging the world now is poverty. As a result of different happenings in the world, especially the COVID-19 pandemic and scandemic of it, a lot of lives souls have been rendered impoverished and purged into poverty. But guess what? Thank God for this great vision that we are in. We are on a mission to eradicate poverty on earth. 5 years now, it is getting better and better and better day by day. The community is developing massively. We are growing stronger and stronger. At the same time, every of our development is great. We are to take charge. We are to take charge. We are developing an economy from ground up. Indeed, it is a big work. It is not a child's play. But guess what? Because we believe, we can achieve it. So I urge everyone in the community of TVians that what? Let us take charge. It is our time now to take charge. Let's take charge. Like admin said in most time in our mass adoption training, let us ensure that we take charge of all the streams of economy, the changes of economy. Let's take charge. Starting from what? Bringing in merchants into the community. Merchants from every area, every facet of life, every chains of production. Let us go forth. Let's bring in merchants into the community. Let's take charge of our economy. We have the abundance. Yeah, sure. There's no doubt about that. We have the abundance. We got the abundance. So let's take charge. I charge everyone this morning. There are a lot of things that we need to do to develop and to build the community. Starting from what? Payment of our program fee, either the monthly or the annual fee. So let's start from there. Attend all the various meetings and what? Let's build the community. Let's bring in more merchants, more members into the community. We are set to get to our mass adoption latest this year. So 1 billion members. It's easy. So let's go all out. Let's take charge of our destiny. Let's take charge of our mission. Let's take charge of this great mission of eradicating poverty on the planet Earth. Let's take charge. So I urge you, as you go out this morning, go in that belief that yes, you have been given the power to take charge. We need to take charge of our world, take charge of our enemy, of our economy. Let's take away all the economic power from the enemy of humanity who has punched humanity into poverty. So don't forget, go out, bring in merchants, bring in a lot of referrals into the community, and let's build the community. Just take charge of the economy. God bless you. Thank you. Love you. Like this broadcast and share.